On this episode of Truck Video Tuesday, we're working on the front header panel. This goes inside the cab. This bottom piece bolts to the bottom of where the windshield goes in. Originally this was made out of steel, but of course it was all rusted to crap, so I bought the ABS version. And then I also bought the ABS headliner. And so you can see, I thought I was going to be painting today. But if we back up to a long time ago, the interior was going to be the same color as the running boards and fenders. And it was going to be this color. And then the rest of the truck was going to be a lighter blue. And then when he saw this color, he changed it, paint the whole truck that color. So that kind of messed up my plan, because now there's no contrast inside anything because it's all blue now. But I'm going to paint these covers a different color. So I'm getting them fitted, and you know, I don't like it, because why would I? They're too long down here. There's a little humpy thing that is hidden and or being crushed. And I don't like this straight line going with this angle. So I'm going to try to match that. But I want to keep kind of like the same spacing all the way around. So it's going to get a little funky. And I'm probably overthinking this, but you know, that's what I do. That ain't working at all. And I don't know how much I gotta get this. I'm on this side. I gotta make sure I'm down low enough that this was so you could access the hinges and grease them up or something. And maybe the windshield wiper vacuum actuator thingamajig. I get confused. Perfect. Let's see what happens. Okay, hold on. Well, that was easier than I thought. I think that's acceptable. Okay, so let's reproduce it. Did you see where I put this thing? I just had it in my hand. I got it. Okay, that looks pretty good. So grab it, hold it, flip it. We are way off. I like it. Let's put some holes in it. Okay, cool. And then these things, they're a little long, but we'll trim up this side once we're ready. But I really need more space. Less stuff in my way. Okay, I like that. Now we can paint them. Except they're going to be flopping around all over the place because they're so light.